Hey YouTubers, today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Earthwise 24 volt lithium ion powered chainsaw. Got a 12-inch cordless chainsaw, fade free power, holds charge 4 times longer, 3 times longer battery life, fast charge. Come to the side here, you'll see rubber over molded handle, oil level window, and we got automatic oiling of motor, automatic bar and chain oiling. Let's unbox this. Just put some bar oil in there and you're pretty much ready to go after it's charged. As you can see, we kind of got open here. Let's turn it over and see if we can take it out of here. Other versions of this chainsaw talked about, the bar oil leaking, stuff like that. So I'll put some bar oil in it a little bit later on and do a test and everything and show you that. And then if I need to do an update later on, if it leaks or things down the road, if the battery doesn't work long, things like that. So I'll try to do my best later on when I show you cutting up some of the tree limbs that fell in our bad ice storm we had just last month. Lithium 24 volt Earthwise clean air choice. Got the little grips, stuff like that. Pull off the shield. Comes with a blade shield, Oregon bar and chain. So that's supposed to be a pretty well-known and good brand of bar and chain. I believe they make chainsaws also. Low kickback. Got some good teeth on there. This here is the toolless tensioner for the chain tensioner. I saw some people they're like, oh, it didn't come with the tool. Why didn't it come with the tool for tensioning the chain? I have to send it back. It's like, well, you could just do this. You unlock it, right, and then you tension it looser or tighter with that. The outer piece, you turn to the right to tighten it, more tension. And then once you're done, you retighten the top, middle, the direction it says, and then that locks it into place. Easy as that. So your bar oil will go in at the top here. Open that up. It's got a nice little string here so you don't lose the cap. That's great. And it tells about what oil to use. So there's that. It does not come with bar oil, so I'll need to purchase that. I've heard you can use some types of like 30 weight motor oil, but people have complained about that leaking out because it's a bit too thin. And here's the gauge for the bar oil level. And see where it's at as you go. This is the 12-inch. I hope it's good enough for what I need it for, but try to stay under $100 when buying this, since we won't be using it too often. Just a little bit of trimming or getting some firewood ready for the house and fire pit out back. Try it in there, the wood for that. So it should be pretty nice. And let's get out the charger and other items here. charger converter type thing. Get the outlet, regular American style outlet, and the charging module. I guess it goes this way. I don't see anything for indicators on here that will tell us, you know, what kind of charge is left, where we're at when we're charging it. 4 parts, you know, you got the charging unit, the chainsaw, the chainsaw blade cover, and the 24-volt lithium battery. Lithium ion 24-volt DC 2.5 amp hours. And that is the charger right there. Got a little guard up here for your handle. Seems pretty lightweight. So I'm going to charge up the battery, get some bar oil in this, and go test it out. So, gotta fill this with some bar and chain oil. Pop that open. Use a funnel. Oh, there's a meter down here, so you want to fill it to the max line. You're in the green here. And you want to check it once in a while and fill it. Oh, it went a little over. Guess pour it real slow, otherwise might have a little bit too much. I think we'll be alright though. And next we'll test it out, try cutting some logs. So once again, this is the Earthwise 12-inch electric cordless saw. It's got this protective cover over it. I'm gonna put on my PPE here. Try it out over here. Had some limbs come down over this last snow and ice storm we had. So thought I'd get this and try it out, see how it goes. Got some bar oil in here, so should be good to go. There's a button on the side here, you press that in and then you can push on the trigger. Oh yeah, instant power. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. I charged the battery earlier from dead, full, and it took about 45 minutes total. So pretty quick charge. Should last about an hour, they say. As you can see, it had a lot of limbs come down. Luckily it didn't take out the shed. But let's try this out on this bigger log here. Kinda excited, see how it goes. A little bit of stress on the bottom here. Might have to bring it up or come in from the side here. I think it doesn't have enough leverage and it's pulling down and pinching it, so we'll have to work out a way to get a better leverage there. Let's see. Right on this one here. There we go. Took a little bit, but that cut through. So this one back here is probably the biggest limb that came down. We're looking at probably about 5 inch, 5, 6 inch limb here. Goes up to about 8 there. Get to that later. that was the limb that we just cut there. This is the biggest part here, looking at about I'd say 8-inch or so. Yeah, 12-inch blade, maybe right around that. See how this goes. That's still where it got pinched up there, but I got it. So after testing this for a while, it seemed to get the job done pretty well. I'm gonna keep cutting along here, and I'll get back to you later on and let you know how it went and about how long it lasts and everything. Give you my final review. But first impressions, pretty well. It binds up a little bit, you know, when I think I had the wood set up wrong. You know, set it up a little bit better later on so it won't bind. But seems to be working real good. I'll give you the final review later on. Hey YouTubers, so for my final review of the Earthwise 12-inch cordless chainsaw, did pretty well. Not too bad. We're going to take a look at progress I made so far with the first charge. Lasted about 45 minutes, so let's take a look. Made about, I'd say, around 45 to 50 cuts, all differing sizes, anywhere from about 2 inches to 8 inches on the one in the back here. Not too bad, you know, they say it would last about 45 minutes to an hour, so it got that. Did pretty well. And some of the bigger limbs, it binded just because of the pressure. Creates like a V when you cut down, and the limbs being pulled on the other end tends to pinch it, so sometimes you have to get it from the bottom and whatnot. It's not recommended, but gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, it cut pretty well when it had the right type of log and everything, and pretty powerful, real quiet, and don't have to hear it the whole time, just when you're using it. And got a bunch of stuff back here, so yeah, I'm pretty pleased. I'm gonna charge it and keep working on it, so I'll let you know if anything else changes later on, but for now I think it worked out pretty good. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.